Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to create your account on iQIYI app. So first of all, launch iQIYI app on your mobile devices. Now once you come to the app's interface, you'll see the option of Login Now. Tap on it. From here at the bottom you'll see the option of Register. Tap on it. Now, either enter your email address or your mobile number. I'm going to enter my email address. Then let's tap on Next. Now, you would have to check your email for the verification code sent to you. So, you will be getting an email like this. Copy the code given, then open the application, then paste the code. Now, create a strong password for your account. After this, make a selection on the circle. Then tap on Done. Now, you can also upload your profile image, or you could simply start by entering your name. Then select your gender. Then tap on the option of Save, or you can tap on Skip as well. So with that, you will successfully be able to create your account on iQIYI app. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.